Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today's yoga practice is to help women from menstrual discomfort, from all the pain and cramps we feel during this period, to help us relax. So this is a very gentle and restorative yoga flow to find you some comfort during this time. So let's start our practice. You can have pillows by the side. We will use them in certain poses and I'll guide you through that. So let's begin. When you are ready, bend your legs like this. Yeah, so both the legs are bent, feet grounded on your mat. Take your hands back, fingers pointing forward. Take your head back, shoulders relax away from your ears. Lift your heart, breathe in and breathe out. So start to get aware of your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Let's do this one more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Gently come out of this pose. Okay, you're going to get into Baddha Konasana or butterfly pose. So you're going to join your feet together like this. Yes, and rest your hands at the top of your toes. Don't worry if your knees are not going too close to the mat. Just do what you're most comfortable with. Okay, and then you're going to just take your head back, breathe in and breathe out, chin to the chest. So we will release our neck. Breathe in, take your head back and breathe out, chin to the chest. One more time. Breathe in, take your head back and breathe out, chin to the chest. Stretching the front and back of our neck. Now take your head in the center in the neutral position. Now you lean your head to the right. Breathe out. Breathe in back to the center and breathe out, taking your head to the left. Two more times. Take your head back to the center, lean to your right, breathe out. Breathe in back to the center and breathe out to your left. Breathe in back to the center, breathe out to your right. And breathe in back to the center and breathe out to your left. And then you come back to the center. Okay, now we are going to go forward now. So you're going to gently come forward and just go as far as your body is comfortable. Okay, so you can stop at any point you want to here. Resting your elbows very gently on your thighs. Let your shoulders be away from your ears. You're looking forward and breathe. You can gently massage your toes as well while staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you slowly breathe in to come up. Breathe out to release. Okay, now extend your left leg and let your right leg be bent. Now take your pillow, one pillow or two pillow, what you are comfortable with. Rest it on your left thigh. So we are going to do Janu Sirsasana, head to knee pose by resting your pillow on your thigh. You can let your abdomen relax on your pillow so you will be comfortable in this pose. Okay, so you're going to take your arms and breathe in, spine long, and breathe out to go forward. Don't worry if your hands are not touching your toes. That's perfectly fine. Just make yourself comfortable, resting your hands wherever it reaches. Shoulders relax, neck relax. And just breathe. Find your most comfortable position here. Breathe. So this is your time to really take care of yourself. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Then you're going to slowly come out. Take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out to release. Okay, now you're going to take your pillows by the side and bend your right leg. Take your right leg over left leg. Okay, you're going to take your left arm up, breathe in and breathe out to twist. Hugging your right leg in with your left arm, drawing your right shoulder back, twisting your spine. Go as far as you are comfortable. Your right hand is very gently rested behind your right hip. Keep breathing, drawing your right shoulder back. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come back to the center and we are going to change now. So your right leg is straight and your left leg is bent. You can again make use of your pillows. Rest your pillows gently on your right thigh. Okay, and take your arms up, breathe in. Lengthen your spine and breathe out to go forward. Reaching for your toes. Don't worry if you're not touching your toes. Sting your hand wherever it reaches comfortably. And let your neck and shoulders relax. Keep breathing. Your abdomen is very gently resting on your pillows. Shoulders and neck relax. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to slowly take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out, arms down. Now take your pillows by the side and we're going to do the twist. So you're going to take your left leg over right leg. Okay, take your right hand up, breathe in and breathe out to hug your left leg in with your right arm, twisting to your left. Your left hand is gently rested behind your left hip, drawing your left shoulder back, twisting your spine. Keep breathing. Staying here for a few seconds for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to slowly come back to the center. Release your left leg. Okay. From here, let's come in all four. You're going to go in cat and cow. So your palms underneath your shoulders, knees under your hips. Relax your toes back. Fingers are wide open. Wrists shoulder width apart, knees are hip width apart. Let's do cat and cow to relax your lower back, your spine. Okay, so drop your belly gently down, lift your gaze up, chin away from your chest, shoulders relaxed, breathe in and breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button. So be very gentle on your abdomen. Okay, continue, breathe in, arc your spine, drop your belly, chin away from your chest and breathe out, round your spine, looking towards your belly button. One more, breathe in, drop your belly, lift your chin away from your chest, keep breathing, head back, shoulders away from your ears. And breathe out, chin to the chest, rounding your spine, looking towards your belly button. And then you get your spine to neutral position. From here, we're going to go in wide knee child pose. So you're going to open your knees wide as you are comfortable. Okay, you're going to take your hips towards your heels, and you can take these pillows in front of you. Okay, to rest your abdomen. So be very comfortable here. Take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out to fall forward. So take your time, rest your abdomen on your pillows, stretch your arms forward and just let your shoulders relax, let your neck relax. Just breathe. You can adjust the pillow to make yourself comfortable. You can rest your chin on the pillow. Breathe. You can rest your forehead on the pillow, whatever you are comfortable with. So just find your most comfortable position here and breathe. We're going to stay here for a few seconds and just breathe. So this yoga practice is all about gentle stretches to release those contracted muscles. So just take it easy. It's relaxing, restorative. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come out of the pose, taking out the pillows by the side. Okay, from here, come on all four. And then gently step your right leg forward, pushing your left leg back. Resting your fingers down, releasing your hip flexor. So we can be very gentle today in this pose. Okay, just to release our hip flexor. Keep breathing. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now slowly step your right leg in and get your left leg forward. Push your right leg back, relax your back toes. Breathe, chest open, shoulders relax. Staying here for 10, keep breathing. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now gently take your left knee in. Okay, from here we're going to release our calves. Gently take your right leg back, resting your right foot down and just press into the top of your right foot to release your calves. So even our legs get tired during this time, so this is really good to release your calves and energize your legs. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come forward and change it to the left leg. Now rest your left foot down. Press into your toes for your left foot. Staying here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently get your left leg in. From here, we're going to widen our legs. Okay, so widen your legs as wide as you are comfortable with. And keep the pillows in front of you. This will help you relax your pelvis. Now, stick your arms back. Resting your fingertips down on the mat. Pressing your fingertips to make sure you're sitting long. Grounding your hips. Your toes pointing up. Flex your toes, your knees pointing up. So just take care of your knees, okay? And take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out. Go forward, moving with your hips. Now rest your elbows on the pillow, or you can fold your arms. Just find the most comfortable position for yourself and breathe. You can rest your forehead on the pillows. Just find a position that you are most comfortable with. We're going to stay here for a few seconds. Make sure you're breathing. And then your abdomen is gently resting on the pillows. Stay here for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release and then you take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out, arms down. Okay, from here we're going to lie down on the mat. So you can take these two pillows. So you can keep your pillow slightly up to rest your hips on the pillow. And bend your legs and take your arms by the side of your body, palms facing up. We're going to go for spinal twist. So you can do cactus arms, bending your arms and taking both the legs to the left side, looking in the opposite direction of your legs to the right. And come back to the center, taking both the legs to the right and looking in the opposite direction to the left. Center to your left and you're looking to the right. Come back to the center, taking both the legs to the right and looking to the left side. And come back to the center, taking both the legs to the left. So really relaxing for your lower back. And come back to the center, taking both the legs to the right. You're looking in the opposite direction. And come back to the center, taking both the legs to the left. You're looking to the right. And come back to the center one more time, taking both the legs to the right and you're looking to the left. And to your center, taking both the legs to the left, you're looking to the right. And then you take your legs back to the center, arms by the side of your body. Drop your knees down, joining your feet together, coming in sleeping butterfly, Supta Baddha Konasana. Your hands are gently resting on your thighs, your upper body is completely relaxed. And then you take your right hand and then rest it on your belly. Just give gentle massage in clockwise direction, massaging your internal organs, very relaxing and comforting for your belly. For 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you slowly release your hand. And then you get your knees in, extend your legs. You're coming in Shavasana, corpse pose. So make yourself comfortable. You can adjust the pillows if you want to. And let your arms be by the side of your body, palms facing up. Let your body be completely relaxed. This is the last pose of our practice today. So find the most comfortable position to relax your body completely on the mat. And just focusing on your breath. Keep any thought at the back of your mind. For the last few seconds you're here. Just focusing on your breath. If you feel distracted at any point, just get your mind back to your breath. And just breathe. Now, if you want to be in Shavasana for slightly longer time, please feel free to do so. I'll end the practice here. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you will find some comfort with this yoga practice. Namaste. See you again.